Let's see, students, remember you have created only this project today. And who gave the idea? It was you. Yes. All of the students, thank you for all the ideas because you want to do something. You can see that three colorful balloons are there. They are flying as well as they are changing also. So this is called animation in Scratch 3.0. All right. We click on the go button. That's called the go button. So when we click on the go button, then the project starts execution. All right. This is called execution of the project, running the project. So please, student, time to time, remember the vocabulary also. All right. You can see that on the stage there are four sprites. One is the cat and rest are balloons. All right, so if you want to stop the project, you have to click on the stop button, and then you can see we have the full screen option. If you exit, you can come back on the main stage. All right, again the project is running already. All right, if you want to stop, you can stop from the. So finally I'm going to stop it, right? Because now we have to see how this project was created. All right, so you can see some block commands are there. I am dragging them on the script area. All right, where do we write down the program? On the script area. So let's see which command and from where they are taken. So let's see, detach. I am detaching them. So there are total four commands only, and it has created a simple, project for us. So yellow color, so go to the yellow color, take that when flag. All right, when flag click, the block is already there. All right, again with the help of the color. All right, with the help of the color you can identify orange color. Go to the orange color, that is your control button. All right, control category, you can click, you can drag. Then purple color, again you go to your purple color where it is there, and then you just drag and drop. All right, like I have already dragged. All right, so I'm just showing you the glimpses of all the command. Student, maybe due to the lights the color combination may be different. All right, but don't worry about that, you can understand. All right, then glide. All right, it is in the motion block which is in the blue color. All right, so glide, the way eagle glides in the sky. Sometimes it does not flap its wings, but it just glides. So that kind of effect. All right, so one of the child has tried already. The child was, he was so curious about. He has taken the bird and then he tried to animate it. All right. So let's attach all the commands. When flag click, forever. Next costume. Okay. And after that, you can put glide. So next costume is you have seen that how the balloons were changing their color. So changing the costume means they were changing their appearance, and glide means the way they were gliding. They were giving the flying look here and there. So if you change their order, no problem. All right. So now our project is ready, and you can see I'm going to drag and drop again the balloon on the desired location. Now balloons were flying, so they were here and there, and now again I'm arranging. So now you can see all three balloons are again on proper location. And there are three balloons, so for each balloon you have to write down the program. Okay, it doesn't mean that you will write for one. See, second balloon program is same. Third balloon, all right, again the program is same. So remember that. All right, that code, if you will not write the code, it will not run. Again, some extra idea for you. If you want to add extra, you want some magic, that your balloon should converge into the apple. All right, so you can see that apple you can attach, but if you want this effect, you have to try from the left hand side option. All right, that add costume option, choose a costume option. All right, remember that. And then it will be added. Again, if you want to change the balloon color, here you don't like particular color, so you can use just like MS Paint. All right, you have already done. So you select the balloon whose color you want to change, go to the fill option. All right, and then see, I was telling you that apple is added now. Here this is the color palette. All right, some colors are there, three kind of categories are there. Brightness you can see, saturation you can see, again light, dark, some combination, radiant, whichever you want, you just explore it. It's very beautiful, you will enjoy it. And after that, you can see that some colors is already selected, okay, like red, and then how it was in orange. And again, you just go, all right, where you can see where it is written fill, okay, where it is written fill, you just go there and you can click over there and you can take the color, all right. So this is the way how you can attach, all right. So remember that, all right. Thank you. And you have seen the project how it was created, so I hope you are going to create.